Hey everyone! Today we're diving deep into a topic that's often overlooked but affects many of us. Brown spots on the face. These pesky little things can be a nuisance, but guess what? They are totally treatable. Stick around because I'm about to take you through a step-by-step guide on how to get rid of brown spots on your face. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Understand what causes brown spots. First off, let's understand why these spots appear. Brown spots, also known as age spots, sun spots, or liver spots, are generally caused by sun exposure, aging, or hormonal changes. A study by the Skin Cancer Foundation highlighted the fact that UV radiation is a major cause of these spots. Step 2. Start with prevention. Sunscreen is your best friend. Before we talk about treatment, let's talk prevention. Every morning, after you wash your face, apply a sunscreen with at least SPF 30. And reapply it every 2 hours when you're outside. The American Academy of Dermatology agrees that sunscreen is essential to prevent further darkening. Step 3. Incorporate vitamin C into your routine. The magic of vitamin C serum. Now, for treatment. Start by applying a vitamin C serum to your face daily after washing your face but before applying sunscreen or moisturizer. A study published in the Indian Dermatology online journal found that vitamin C can inhibit the enzyme responsible for pigmentation. Step 4. Use hydroquinone cream. Try over-the-counter solutions. A very effective ingredient to treat brown spots is hydroquinone. You can start with an over-the-counter hydroquinone cream, which is available at 2% strength. Apply this cream on the brown spots every night before sleeping. But remember, hydroquinone can be a bit harsh. The FDA supports its efficacy but also recommends not using it for extended periods. Step 5. Consult a dermatologist. If the brown spots are stubborn and aren't responding to the above treatments, it's time to consult a dermatologist. They might prescribe higher concentrations of hydroquinone or other medications. According to a study in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology, stronger formulations can be more effective but should be used under professional guidance. Step 6. Chemical peels. Optional. For those who want faster results, chemical peels can be another option. A study from Dermatologic Surgery indicates that glycolic acid and lactic acid peels can be effective against hyperpigmentation. But, and this is a big but, please consult a dermatologist before you decide to go this route. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide on how to get rid of brown spots on your face. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so it might take some time to see results. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. See you in the next video.